Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Christian and I'm a fully qualified English language teacher. And today's lesson is all about the conditionals. And we're going to review the first, second and third conditional. How do we use it and when do we use it? So let's look at the first conditional. Example, if it rains, I will take an umbrella. So if it rains, I will take an umbrella. We use the first conditional to talk about real possible situations now or in the future. The second conditional, let's give you an example. If I won the lottery, I would buy a big house. So if I won the lottery, I would buy a big house. And we use the second conditional to talk about unreal, hypothetical, or imaginary situations now or in the future. This brings us to our last conditional, the third conditional. For example, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the test. So if I had studied harder, I would have passed the test. And we use the third conditional to talk about a hypothetical situation in the past. So we imagine a different past. This did not happen. And we also use it to express regret. That's just a short little lesson about the three conditionals. If you would like to learn more about this, please go to my website. And the website is www.conversably.co.uk. Or you can message me at contact@conversably.co.uk. Have a great day, everyone. Goodbye.